Hello, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install and flush your Filteroo Max fluoride removal cartridges. Before installing your cartridges, you'll need to pre-flush them. Pre-flushing your cartridges before you install them is a must because it will ensure that any media fines are flushed out before you install the cartridge into your system. To pre-flush your cartridges, check out our pre-flushing video in our Learning Center. If you're also changing your carbon cartridges as well at the same time, then you need to make sure you prime them too before installing them. To learn more about how to prime and install your carbon cartridges, you can check out that video in our Learning Center as well. Once your cartridges are pre-flushed and primed, remove the top tank of your Filteroo and place it on its side on a tea towel on the bench. Only one end of the fluoride cartridge has a thread. The cartridge must be installed onto the threaded end. Screw the cartridges gently, ensuring that you don't cross-thread the cartridge. Tighten until firm, do not over-tighten. Once the Filteroo Max fluoride removal cartridges have been installed, place the top tank back onto the bottom tank. The fluoride cartridges hang down inside the bottom tank. Now fill the top tank with water and allow that water to filter down through both the Filteroo carbon cartridges and the Filteroo Max fluoride removal cartridges. Once the top tank has been emptied into the bottom tank, discharge that water to waste or onto the garden. Finally, if you also have a new mineral pad to be installed, give it a 10-second rinse under flowing tap water to rinse and remove any fine particles. Place the mineral pad onto the base of the bottom tank and your water filter is now ready to be refilled and used. And that's how to install and flush your Filteroo Max fluoride removal cartridges. It's very simple and we're always here to help. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you and have a great day.